Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is, who is Noah? Living righteously in a corrupt world. So, Noah lived in a time when almost everyone chose evil instead of good. The Bible says that people's thoughts were always sinful and violence filled the earth. Yet Noah was different. He trusted God, listened to Him, and lived in a way that pleased Him. Noah was not perfect, but he believed God and followed Him while others walked away. God shows grace to Noah and used him to save his family and preserve life. Through Noah, we learn that God calls these people to live differently even when the whole world chooses the wrong path. Sayon po sa Genesis chapter 6, verse 5 to 9, the Lord saw how great the weakness of the human race had become on the earth, and that every inclination of the thoughts of the human heart was only evil all the time. The Lord regretted that He had made human beings on the earth, and His heart was deeply troubled. So the Lord said, I will wipe from the face of the earth the human race I have created, and with them the animals, the birds, the creatures that move along the ground, for I regret that I have made them. But Noah found favor in the eyes of the Lord. This is the account of Noah and his family. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, God judges corrupt at the right time. So, pinapakita ng story ni Noah na hindi bulag ang Diyos na sa kasamaan kahit parang matagal bago dumating ang judgment. May tamang oras ang Diyos. Patient siya pero righteous. Kapag sobra ng corruption, God will act according to His justice, hindi late at hindi rin early, always perfect timing. And by faith, Noah lived a godly life in an ungodly world. Si Noah ay namuhay ng matuwid kahit surrounded siya ng masamang tao. And Noah found favor in the eyes of the Lord. So, hindi dahil perfect si Noah, kundi dahil siya ay may faith at obedience. Ang favor ng Diyos ay resulta ng relationship with Him. And sa applications naman po, speak about the righteous judgment of God and stand out by living differently for God and stay under the favor and protection of God. Na lang po, maraming salamat.